friends, it's Miss Rachel and Kate here to help me today.
Hello.
We are going to talk to you about a math lesson using marbles. What letter does math and marbles start with? What letter?
M.
Letter M, that's right. So we are going to talk about tally marks. Have any of you ever heard of tally marks before? What letter does mark start with, Kate?
M.
Marks. So we have math, marbles, and marks. We got 3 M's. Oh my goodness. Okay, so now we're going to talk about tally marks. Tally marks are a way to record or write down the number of objects that you have. For example, I have how many marbles, Kate?
1, 2,
3,
4.
So if I had 4 marbles, how would you write 4 marbles on this board? You draw 1 line, 2 lines, 3 lines, and 4 lines. Can you show everybody what 4 objects or 4 tally marks would look like?
This
There we
is
go.
our 4 tally
So that would be
marks.
1 marble, 2 marbles,
3 marbles, and 4 marbles.
Okay, so now we're going to read this little book. It says, I can count with tally marks. So first page, Kate.
So this is our first tally mark. It's a straight line
Just
to count 1 tally mark.
1 line down, starting at the top, friends, remember.
And then here we'll see 2 tally marks. So it's 2 straight lines down.
1, 2 tally marks. And now we have 3. How many lines do we have, Kate?
1, 2, 3.
That's
3
correct.
lines.
All right, back to that 4. How many do we have? Starting on the left. 1, 2, 3, 4.
4 lines.
And then, okay, so 5.
1, 2, 3, 4, and a diagonal line.
Diagonal line for the number 5. The number 5, as this card says, shuts the door. It completes a group. So if you see tally marks that look like this, then there are 5 objects. And it completes that group. And now moving on to 6 tally marks. So we have 1 group of 5. And then we have
our
1 tally mark
6.
there. How about 7, Kate?
7, we have our 1 group of 5. And then we got 6, 7.
How about 8?
Now we have our 1 group of 5, and then we have 6, 7, 8.
What
Now
about
we're
9?
on 9. We have our 1 group of 5, and then we have 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 tally marks.
Our last number, we have number 10.
We have 1 group of 5 and a second group of 5. There's 2 groups of 5s.
So what is 5 plus 5, Kate?
10.
10. So it's an easy way for you to group your objects. And this little card shows, draws a line. So number 10, it draws another line. So we have 1 group of objects and another group of objects.
That's cool.
Okay, so we went ahead and we made a marble game. Marble starts with the letter M. We used a marble game. So I have a fancy cardboard box here that I painted. You can use a cardboard box as well, and you can color it any way that you want. And I decided to paint it just so it looks a little fancier on camera. And we have 3 openings of different sizes. This is the largest, this is the medium, and that is the smallest size. So Kate, what number is this?
That's number 1.
So you get 1 point if your marble rolls into that hole.
1 point.
If your marble rolls into this hole right here, how many points do you get?
2.
2 points. And if your
2
marble
points.
rolls into this hole right here, the smallest hole of all, how many points do you get?
I think 3.
3, that's right. Do you want to
3
show our friends?
points.
Do you want to show our friends how we can roll the marbles? Now, normally the marbles would be farther away and you would be doing this maybe outside or on the carpet or on the floor or something, but we're just going to do it right here on the table to demonstrate how you do it. Okay? And Kate is going to go ahead and roll our first marble. How many points are we going to get, Kate?
I'm going to go for 2.
2. So how do you write 2 tally marks?
I take 1 line and then a second line.
Can you show
and
everybody?
I make
2 tally marks.
How
All right, here's another marble.
I'm going to go for 1, I think.
Oh,
Yay.
1. So now how many tally marks do we have?
3.
So underneath the K column for Kate, Kate wrote 1, 2, 3
3
lines.
Now, I got
Now, one more marble.
I'm gonna go for the 3 now.
You think you can do it?
1.
Oh, denied.
Okay, let me try the 3 again.
Yes. So if you got 3, so we got to add 3 lines to this. So we got 1, 2, 3 already.
4
4.
lines. 5.
No. See, you got to close the group. 5.
5. And then our last one, our lonely 6.
So we got 1 group of 5, and then we got 1 line over here, and that makes 6 tally marks. So maybe you can play a game like this at home and try counting and using tally marks. So I'm going to read you a little book right now, and it's called Tally O'Malley, and it is by Stuart J. Murphy and illustrated by Cynthia Jabbar. All right. So we have Tally O'Malley. You all see, the O'Malleys were ready to go on vacation. Wouldn't that be nice if we could go on vacation?
Yeah.
It would be.
But it's sad.
Almost ready, that is. Did you pack the beach towels? Asked Dad. Did you lock the back door? Asked Mom. Come on, Shamrock, get in, ordered Eric, pulling on the dog's leash. I can't find my sunglasses, said Nell. Bridget! Everybody yelled, hurry up, we'll never get there. They're trying to go on vacation. Finally, they were on their way. They had been on the road for almost 3 hours when Eric grumbled, aren't we ever going to get there? Ick! Shamrock's breathing on me, said Bridget. I can't find my baseball hat, said Nell. And why don't we play a game of tally, said Mom. Moms always have solutions. First, they had to decide on something to count. Let's do cars, said Eric. He loved tally games because he almost always won. Okay, Mom agreed. Pick your colors. I take silver, said Eric. I take blue, said Bridget. How about you, Nell? Red, answered Nell. Red was her favorite color. Eric laughed. You always pick red, and you never win, he said. Oh. Mom handed out paper and pencils. Do you remember how to play, Nell? Asked Bridget. When you see a red car, make a tally mark. 1 line down is a tally mark.
1.
And then make another one for each red car you see. When you're up to 3, it will look like this. 1, 2, 3.
3 tally marks.
When you get to 5, you will make a little bundle so they're easy to count. Remember that bundle, friends. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That diagonal line completes that bundle. This will be a 20-minute game, explained Mom. Ready, set, go. There's a silver one, said Eric immediately, and 2 more over there. I see a blue one, said Bridget, and another one right behind it. Ha! I see a red one, said Nell. Nell, there's another, said Dad. No helping, yelled Eric. Time's up, said said Mom, just as they pulled into the rest stop for lunch. Kate, can you tell us how many tally marks does Eric have?
Eric has 12 tally marks.
How about Nell?
Nell has 6 tally marks.
And last but not least, Bridget. How many does Bridget have?
She has 10 tally marks.
So who has the most tally marks?
Eric, because he says he wins every time, and Nellie never wins.
Dad took Shamrock for a walk where they counted up their tally marks. I win, shouted Eric. I always win. He's not a bucket filler, is he, friends? You get to wear the tally medal, said Mom. The medal was really a plastic shamrock that Dad had given the dog for her first birthday. You think you're so great, whined Bridget. Tally O'Malley. Eric celebrating and wearing his shamrock necklace. The line for hamburgers was very long. I'm hungry, said Bridget. I want ice cream, said Nell. Can we play video games? Asked Eric. Let's play another tally game, said Dad. Good solution, Dad.
Yeah.
We can't count cars here, said Bridget. Let's do t-shirts. Yellow, called Eric. Green, called Bridget. Red, called Nell. Eric laughed. Red never wins, he said. The line moved forward, inch at a time. They counted every t-shirt they could see. There's an awful lot of green t-shirts there.
Mm-hmm.
It's almost our turn, said Dad. Come, game's over. Add up your marks. I win, shouted Bridget. Why did Bridget win, Kate? How many does she have over
Bridget
her
has
siblings?
10. Nellie had 2. And Eric had 4 tally marks.
4 tally marks. Mom took the shamrock medal from Eric and placed it around Bridget's neck. You won't have the tally medal for long, said Eric. Oh, yeah? Tally O'Malley, Bridget replied. Everyone was full after lunch. Eric, Bridget, and Nell slept almost the rest of the way to the beach. Finally, they arrived. They had just gotten out of the car when they heard a train whistle in the distance. Let's count the train cars, said Eric. I picked the black ones. I take gray, said Bridget. Do you want red again, Nell? Yes, said Nell. It's my favorite. You never learn, said Eric. What's going to happen? There's the engine, said Eric. Right here's the engine, friends, at the front of the train. It's the locomotive. No fair, said Bridget. An engine's not a car. A red car went by, and then another, and then another. Oh. The next car was red too, and then the next one. The train rattled past. Finally, the caboose went by. It was red. There were hardly any black cars, said Eric, or gray cars either, said Bridget. Let's see those tally sheets, said Mom. Nell wins! Why does Nell win, Kate? How many do they have?
Eric had 1. Nell had 15. And Bridget had 3.
3.
So Nell had the most. Nell won.
Bridget handed the shamrock medal to Nell. Then she noticed a sign near the tracks. Look at that, she said. That's why Nell won. This says here, travel the red line. Hey, Nell, that's not fair, said Eric. It seems fair to me, said Nell. So from now on, I want you to call me Tally O'Malley. The end. Well, friends, I hope you enjoyed your lesson, your math lesson on tally marks. And I hope you go outside or even around your house and try to count objects and practice your tallies, okay? Anything else, Kate?
Nope.
Nope. All right.
Just play Tally O'Malley, though, if you don't have anything to do.
If you don't have anything to do, well, hopefully they're going to be
O'Malley.
busy soon. All right, friends, we'll check in with you later. I hope you're all doing well. Love you. Bye.
Bye.